Good morning, students. Welcome to class 10 biology part 2nd. Student, in previous video we are talking about our first chapter, which is life process, and we just started that what is life process. Student, first we revise what some general terminologies that we discussed in our last video, then we will continue our topic. So student, how can we know that the person is alive or dead? We know with the help of movement. With the help of movement, and both plant and animal show the process. Generally human beings they move, but in plants they move like with air. And common example we take of sunflower, because it moves in the direction in which the sun uh, have, like when the sun is in south direction or in west direction, so the sunflower also move in that direction. Next is what about life process. What is life process? The process that done by the living being for their survival. वो प्रोसेस जो किसी भी लिविंग बीइंग के द्वारा की जाती है फॉर देयर सर्वाइवल, फॉर देयर मेंटेनेंस, फॉर देयर ग्रोथ, it's known as life process. And what type of process are included? These are nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion. These processes are included in the life process. So we are talking about nutrition, students. What is nutrition process? That how the living organism, both animal and plants, how the living organism obtain their food, it's known as nutrition. And from nutrition they get nutrient from the food, which help in growth, energy, and provide energy, help in bodybuilding and growth regulation. So it is all about the nutrition. अगेन स्टूडेंट, न्यूट्रिशन प्रोसेस क्या है? वो प्रोसेस थ्रू विच द जो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म है दे ऑब्टेन देयर फूड. एंड व्हाट टाइप ऑफ फूड? दे टेक न्यूट्रिएंट फ्रॉम. न्यूट्रिएंट इज डिफरेंट. They get nutrient from that food, like carbohydrate, fat, protein, minerals, which gives energy to our body, which help in survival for our cells, for growth, development. So it is a nutrition. Now there are two modes of nutrition. Modes of nutrition means through which how the organism obtain their food, in which autotroph and heterotroph. Autotroph nutrition, self nutrition. Self means those obtain their food by self or can make their own food, जो अपना खाना खुद बना सकते हैं, डू नॉट डिपेंड ऑन अदर्स. एंड हेटरोट्रॉफ न्यूट्रिशन, दोज आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन अदर. कॉमन एग्जाम्पल लाइक स्टूडेंट ग्रीन एंड नॉन ग्रीन प्लांट्स. ग्रीन प्लांट्स autotroph because they can make their food with the help of photosynthesis. And we all know what is photosynthesis. So student, कॉमन एग्जाम्पल हमने लिया था लाइक प्लांट्स दे रिलीज ऑक्सीजन गैस and human take this oxygen from plant. So human are dependent on the plants and they get food from all food like crop, wheat, maize, barley, these all things. So human beings are heterotroph because they are dependent on the plants for their survival. So what is the definition of autotrophic nutrition? Auto means self, troph means nutrition, self nutrition. It can be defined as a type of that type of nutrition which organize, synthesize, organic and simple. Common is photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water. Next, heterotrophic. The nutrition is defined as the type of nutrition in which organism cannot make this or synthesize its own food, जो अपना खाना खुद नहीं बना सकते. Autotroph is divided into photosynthesis and chemosynthesis. Students, we know what is photosynthesis. The plants which make their food with the help of organic and inorganic material. Organic is what? Example, food. And inorganic, students, like carbon dioxide and water, these are inorganic. They make the plants which make their food with the help of these organic and inorganic material in the help of sunlight, so called as photosynthesis, and you all studied in the last classes. And students, autotroph are also called as producer because they make food. Those make food for others are known as producers. Producers is what? Which make food for others. Like green plants, they make oxygen. Like crops, wheat, maize, barley, they make food for other, like common grass. It's a green plant which is food for the cow, buffalo, herbivorous animals. So autotroph are known as producers. Next, first type of autotroph is photosynthesis. Students, we know that how the photosynthesis process occur. The green plants contain a green color pigment. So what type of pigment is? It's a chlorophyll, and which traps the sunlight. First step is trapping of sunlight because it acts as an energy. Sunlight, when the chlorophyll traps that sunlight, so the plant starts making their food. They take water and minerals from soil with the help of xylem vessel, which take water and minerals from the soil. They transfer to the roots. Next, they take carbon dioxide from stomata cells, which are present below the leaf. Below, why? Because if they are present on the upper surface, they get ruptured easily. That's why they are present below the surface, which is guarded by a guard cells. Through these guard cells, the exchange of the gas take place. What type of gas exchange? Carbon dioxide intake and oxygen release. So it is a journal about photosynthesis. Sunlight is trapped by, students, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment through which the plant greens, and through xylem they take water and mineral from soil. Carbon dioxide and oxygen gas exchange take place in guard cell. So through this process the plant make their food, which is photosynthesis. And what type of food they make, student? They make glucose, carbohydrate, starch. And student, the photosynthesis, it's a solar in which solar energy is converted into chemical energy. Okay. Next is chemosynthesis. Chemosynthesis, energy for food synthesis comes from special chemical process. Example like bacteria. Common example like rhizome, which take nitrogen from the air directly and dissociate it into the simpler form in the soil. Through that bacteria, through that organism, the plants take nitrogen, because plants cannot take directly nitrogen from the air. So it is a chemosynthesis, and it is not so important. The important is photosynthesis. There are some types like saprophyte, parasite and holozoic of heterotrophic nutrition, which cannot make their food. Saprophyte, those organisms which feed on dead and decaying matter. Parasites, which act as a host, the organisms which take food from other organism, and that organism will be act as a host for the other organism. Holozoic, eating other organisms usually as a whole. Example, most animal, human, amoeba and paramecium. This is known as holozoic. Holozoic, common example, human beings. Means in which the whole nutrition process occurs step by step. Like first step, ingestion. Ingestion means intake of food. Next is digestion, where the food goes into the stomach. Next step is absorption. Absorption means in which the food gets absorbed through small intestine. Third step is assimilation, where the protein formation take place, and last is egestion, excretion of food. So it is a journal terminologies and journal definition about autotrophic nutrition mode. First photosynthesis, second heterotrophic, saprophyte, parasite and holocyte. Next, in next video we will discuss them in brief. Okay.